With the Mad Viking here, with a little product review. It's the 4th of July and I need to grill up a steak, but I'm in a new apartment. I don't have room for a big grill, so I'm breaking out the UCO Flat Pack Grill and Fire Pit. I've had this around for a while. I got it in one of the big Karen boxes, and I just really haven't had a chance to really use it or a reason to use it. Enough fireworks? Yeah, fireworks. So I'm gonna give it a little try. I got one steak to cook, and let's see how it goes. All right, we're gonna try that configuration out. I got a little fire starter down there. Not doing a ton because it's just me, but we'll see how that works. All right, so I gave these time to do their thing and they're almost hot enough. So now obviously it's not adjustable on height, so you're kind of stuck with however much heat you've got with however many coals you've got in there. But I have to say, it's pretty even. And there's not really a whole lot of cold spots in the corner. It'd be nice, how we do a lid, but it is what it is. It's a mini grill. But I think this will do just fine for cooking a steak. Okay, one thing I'm always concerned about when I'm using little grills like this is what's it going to do to the surface it's on? Am I going to melt something? Am I going to burn something? I don't want to set fire to anything. Check this out. All right, we got my temperature meter here. The sides in there are running 180, 190. Coals, they're not even, it's too hot to register. 700, 800 degrees. It's hot. Look at this. 111, 110. Barely any warmer. 30 degrees warmer. Look at that. So is this safe to use on a wood surface? Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, that might take a little while to cook. That's a whole lot of steak on an itty bitty grill. I don't know about you. That looks like a fairly nicely well cooked steak. I like this little thing. It works a little slow. It's not real huge. I could probably fill it up with a lot more charcoal. But that is a nice looking steak. So, a UCO Flat Pack barbecue fire pit. I think that works for me. Okay, final thoughts on the UCO Flat Pack barbecue fire pit. I wouldn't use it if you're trying to feed an army. There's one or two of you. Oh, hell yeah, this would work. Like I said, I probably would, next time, would load it up with a little more charcoal and spread it out if I was going to cook 2 steaks or one giant chunk of beef like I've got going on here. But it totally works. I'm happy with it. And if you're just cooking some hamburger patties or some hot dogs, oh yeah, totally. This is going to go in my van, the adventure van, the White Ugly Beast, because it doesn't take up much space and it works really well. All right, that's it for me. Hit that like button, hit subscribe. You know the routine. All right, see you next time.